What's up, YouTube? Big Daddy here. Time for another food review. Where'd you find these at, mystery guest? Is it Aldi?
Aldi.
So, mystery guest was at Aldi this week, and she checked out these new crackers that sort of look like Cheez-Its, but they're made from cauliflower. These are the Simply Nature cauliflower crackers, cheddar flavor. And let's see, the calories on these are 110 calories, 3 grams of fat. Total carbs is 18. Not that low carb, but there is 2 grams of dietary fiber, so you break it down to 16 net carbs. But a serving size is 44 crackers, so that's pretty decent. So, and it says there's 4 servings in this box. So let's pop open the little zip thingy here.
Zip thingy.
Zip thingy. By the way, Mr. Guest behind the camera, helping me out, checking out cauliflower crackers. Man, I just mangled this bag.
Shocking.
How dare you? All right. Ooh, these are very thin. Here you go. Here, check one out. They're very little teeny. They're like a little baby Cheez-Its. They look teeny tiny, almost slightly bigger than a nickel. Or no, they're about the same. Would you say they're the same size as a quarter? Maybe, but not round. I don't know.
Sure.
Here.
Bigger than a nickel.
If you hold it up this way, it looks like it's the size as my head. But if you bring it back here, you can see perspective.
Yeah.
Whoa.
See, it's about the size of a quarter.
Teeny tiny.
You're teeny tiny.
Little baby cracker. So let's try the cauliflower crackers cheddar flavor by Simply Nature. They're crispy. They are crunchy. Mystery Gus is giving them a fair shake.
Interesting.
Would you like to try another?
Yeah.
She's not making the I don't like it face.
They're okay.
She kind of was like,
Not bad.
most peculiar.
It's a little texture difference than like obviously a rayon cracker, but not bad. Pretty good.
Pretty much like a cracker to me. I like them.
Pretty good.
They're
They
good.
also come in regular sea salt.
Yeah. Oh, there is regular sea salt and cheddar flavor. Now, as far as the cheddar flavor goes, do you think it's as cheddary as a Cheez-It?
No.
Right.
But then again, I'm not a fan of Cheez-Its.
Yeah. But there is a definite cheese flavor.
There is. But I'm not. I would compare them to. No, I couldn't even compare them to that.
What?
Like I was gonna say a goldfish.
Cheese nibs.
No.
Do they even-
I don't even know. I haven't had a cheese. And isn't it a cheese nip?
Is it cheese nip or cheese nibs?
I think it's a nip.
I don't know. Let us
a
know.
nib.
Let us know in the comments down
I
below.
think it's a
Nib,
nib.
nips. I don't want to say nips. It sounds dirty.
Now I gotta look it up because I just need to know.
Cheese nibs.
But, yeah, I don't know.
I like them. It's also, according to this, the back of the box,
No, it's cheese nips.
cheese nips. Okay.
N-I-P-S, nips.
All right. What a name.
Cheese nips.
Simply Nature products are free from over 125 artificial ingredients and preservatives. When it comes to eating well, the choice is Simply Nature.
Yeah, I don't know. It's,
We gotta check.
Is that a whole organic, no GMO and stuff?
I don't know. No GMOs right there. No go, and it ain't got that gluten in it either. No way. So it's good. Non-GMO,
Is it organic?
gluten-free.
Is it organic?
I think so.
I don't think so. Unless it says organic, I don't think it's organic.
It's not organic. Who cares?
Certified gluten-free.
Gluten-free.
And there's 44 crackers per serving. 44.
I know, that's pretty good, right? 110
Yeah.
calories.
Yeah.
So it's gluten-free, no genetically modified.
It's made with cauliflower.
genetically modified organisms, right? I don't know. It ain't got gamos. That's it. So on a scale of 1 to 10, on the cauliflower crackers for cheddar flavor by Simply Nature, you can get them at Aldi, I'm going with a 9 out of 10. I enjoy these. I think they're very nice. And you should go check them out and try them for yourself. Mr. Guest, what are you thinking?
I'm just going to go with your rating because I don't know.
You like it? You like it? All right.
I think it's pretty good.
All right, that's pretty much it, guys. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe, tap that notifier bell so you know when the next video comes out. Remember, before you take the first bite, even if it's a little bitty cracker, you gotta start in your Bible. We're out.